known as the Home Guarantee Scheme. If you're somebody who's serious, when I say serious, you actually want to buy, to live in a house long term. That's what this scheme is for. The scheme itself, the Home Guarantee Scheme, owner-occupier, the government wants people to get their foot in the door and build equity in the property. The investment side of things, that's one of the criteria. It's not an investment property. It must be maintained as the principal place of residence for the purchaser. There are small elements that you're allowed to, rent out some rooms, etc. like that, but the vast majority of people it doesn't apply for. Particularly when our customers looking to buy land and build, they're not looking to rent out rooms. They're looking to start their family in that home. Potentially they've got a family already. This is their forever home in a lot of cases. They're the perfect candidates for that scheme. If you've not owned property within the last 10 years, you previously have owned property and not owning, you can access this scheme also. The land contract and the build contract needs to be made available for the lender to actually approve the loan and claim the scheme place. You want to secure your spot first, and securing your spot, you can do that without having land contract, without having a build contract. It's very similar to a process as a pre-approval. It would reserve a space in that scheme. Now, with the changes, the critical date is the 1st of October, and contractually, if you've entered into a contract to buy a house or buy land that is not yet registered, you're not actually going to be purchasing that land until next year, for instance, in that situation. Reserving a spot in the scheme today isn't going to benefit you because the scheme spots only allow you a certain period of time. So you can't have more than one place at any time, and you can't have obtained a place and then come back and want to get it again. It just doesn't work that way. So you can apply, and a lot of people do, particularly in the established home market. They want to go shopping, looking for a property, potentially at auction, potentially at private treaty, open homes on weekends, etc. And they'll get a pre-approval with their lender on the panel, they'll reserve a spot in the scheme, and 3 months they may not find something, and that scheme place lapses, you can apply again. Not at this stage. It's been a number of years now. They've increased the places and now they've made it unlimited. I think time will tell, particularly with the take-up. The government's added lenders to the scheme panel. There's like 38 lenders now. So I think talk to your broker, talk to ourselves. That's what we do. It's actually pretty easy. It's like going for a pre-approval. Certain documentation that you need to provide to the lender to verify your position. Number one, citizen or a permanent resident. Right. Number two, what your income has been for the current financial year. That you've got a job, that you're earning income, what your employment history is. Really standard things. You meet the criteria that you're a citizen or a permanent resident, that your income currently before 1 October, you're underneath the caps, or whether it be single or as a couple, and the way you do that is with your most recent notice of assessment. So the 2025 tax year notice of assessment, that is a key component, and the bank can reserve a space for you within the scheme. The process isn't difficult, so it's an application that is made through your bank or a broker, and the bank will then apply to reserve that space for you under your name, and then you're given an extra time frame from there to have your loan pre-approved. That's 14 days. You've got 2 weeks essentially to go through the process with the bank. Well, first thing would be to contact our team. So our team, you can reach out to us online, you can reach out to us through our display homes. Everyone who walks through a display and is looking to build with our group has access to our team at all times. Feel free to contact us 7 days a week. We've got brokers in every state and territory, so we're available to support you at any time.